15 houseplants that will instantly turn your apartment into an indoor oasis. Creating an indoor oasis isn't about filling your apartment with random greenery. It's about carefully choosing plants that breathe life into your space. Purify your air and create a calm, natural atmosphere. Whether your apartment is drenched in sunlight or has just a few windows, there's a plant perfectly suited to your environment. Let's explore 15 houseplants that will transform any apartment into a peaceful, vibrant haven, one leaf at a time. Monstera deliciosa is the ultimate statement plant. Its large, glossy, split leaves bring a tropical vibe that instantly livens up dull corners. The plant's architectural foliage makes it perfect for modern or bohemian apartments. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to care for and adapts well to indoor life. The snake plant is nearly indestructible. Its upright, sword-like leaves add structure and style to any room. It purifies the air by removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene, making your space cleaner and fresher. Ideal for bedrooms and offices. Peace lily. With its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms, the peace lily adds a serene, spa-like feeling to your home. It's also known for its excellent air-purifying properties. If you want a touch of elegance with minimal effort, this is your plant. 4. Areca palm. The Areca palm gives off pure tropical energy. Its feathery fronds sway gently, creating a breezy, resort-like feel in your apartment. It's also one of the best plants for increasing humidity and cleansing the air. Pothos is the easygoing friend of the plant world. Its cascading vines look beautiful on shelves, hanging baskets, or trailing down bookcases. It grows fast and thrives even in dimly lit apartments. 6. Rubber plant. The rubber plant's thick, glossy leaves make a bold statement in minimalist interiors. It can grow tall, becoming a beautiful indoor tree over time. Its rich green and burgundy hues add depth and warmth to your living space. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant thrives on neglect. It's the perfect pick for busy plant lovers or frequent travelers. Its waxy emerald leaves stay vibrant with little water, giving your apartment a consistent, lush look year-round. 8. Fiddle leaf. Fig the fiddle leaf fig is a modern design icon. Its large, violin-shaped leaves create drama and height, making it ideal for open living areas or corners. With proper care, it can grow into a magnificent indoor tree. 9. Spider plant. This cheerful, low-maintenance plant sends out adorable baby spiders, offshoots, that you can propagate easily. Its arching leaves add a lively sense of movement and freshness to kitchens or bathrooms. 10. Bird's nest. Fern. With its wavy apple-green fronds, the bird's nest fern brings a tropical jungle vibe to even small apartments. It thrives in humid areas, making it perfect for bathrooms or shaded living rooms. 11. Calathea. Prayer plant. Calatheas are living art. Their colorful patterns, from stripes to pink highlights, make them one of the most decorative indoor plants. They even pray at night by folding their leaves upward. 12. Philodendron. Heartleaf philodendron. Philodendrons have lush, heart-shaped leaves that add warmth and texture. They're forgiving, fast-growing, and adaptable, perfect for shelves, desks, or hanging pots. 13. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is more than just beautiful. It's functional. The gel inside its fleshy leaves soothes burns and nourishes the skin. This hardy succulent thrives on neglect and brings a clean, desert-chic look to your apartment. 14. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Known for its stunning variegated leaves, the Chinese evergreen adds instant luxury. It tolerates shade, air conditioning, and forgetful watering. Ideal for apartment living. 15. Boston fern. Boston ferns are the epitome of lushness. Their arching fronds create volume and texture that transform empty corners into green sanctuaries. They also boost humidity and help cleanse your indoor air. Tips for turning your apartment into an indoor oasis layer. Plants by height. Combine tall plants, like Monstera or Fiddle leaf fig, with medium, rubber plant, peace lily, and small ones, Pothos ferns, for visual depth. Mix different leaf shapes. Add variety, large leaves, trailing vines, and spiky foliage to create a natural jungle feel. Use natural pots. Clay, bamboo, or ceramic pots blend beautifully with indoor greenery. Incorporate vertical space. Use plant stands, shelves, or hanging baskets to maximize space. Add water elements. A small indoor fountain or misting system enhances the tropical vibe. Mind the lighting. Group light-loving plants near windows and low-light species deeper inside. Keep airflow and humidity. Good airflow and misting help plants thrive in apartment settings. Add the final touch with these 15 beautiful houseplants. You can turn even the smallest apartment into a lush, refreshing paradise. Whether your goal is cleaner air, a calming environment, or just a pop of natural beauty, these plants work together to create an indoor escape that feels alive, peaceful and rejuvenating. Your new oasis awaits. One leaf, one pot, and one watering can at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good